Mercedes S-Class.
Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are in Germany with a very special row behind me. You can see all generation S-Classes from the W223 to the 222, 221, 220 all the way to the back to the first S-Class. Now you can actually become a member.
Mercedes.
So there is a new join button under the video and you can choose different levels.
S-Class.
But it is not only special that we have a row of each generation S-Class over here, it is also for each of them the last produced S-Class of its generation. So the last one that came off the factory line. So let's start with the 222 over here, because the 223 is still the newest model and still in production. This one is the last ever built S-Class in W222. So it has only 300 kilometers on the clock. In the rear we notice also significant different tail lights for each generation. Just have a look to the older ones and tell me guys, which one do you prefer? For each line they kept the last produced but also very good options. This one is the S560 and you guys already know my favorite option. So let's have a listen. Soft closing doors, of course, and that is what we also have in the newer generation in the W221, but not in the 220. It might be an option, but I'm not sure. This one does not have it. So let's have a closer look to the interior. We will start with the 222, which is beautiful. This, in my opinion, is AMG's most beautiful steering wheel with beautiful chrome and Napa leather. It had night vision, as you can see, right there in the center, and beautiful Napa leather. In the new one, in the new S-Class, the 223, noticeable is start of manufacture, and of course the folding in door handles. So you can just pull it, check the specifications. This is built in 2020, it might be the first one, and it is a 3-liter 6-inline. So we have here first time introduced manufacture with beautiful color interior. So there we have it guys, a little bit of rain but a beautiful view of the W220, 221, 222, 223, and just behind it the 450 6.9 liter amazing car. This is usually driven by Formula 1 drivers. And we will take it for a quick spin. Official name is 450 SEL 6.9. Beautiful color. But let me know, which color do you like better? On this model or on the new one, the vintage blue. But here it is more clear that it is like a baby blue color. Very beautiful, to be honest. Especially if you have the white or beige interior. Here we have the manufacture. So beige leather and black in the center. This is also the first generation with the cushions in the headrest in the front. The previous one had it also only for the rear. I love that all S-Classes have the Mercedes star in the front. Also for the W220 we have Mercedes star, but also wipers for the headlights. So here the wipers will extend out of it and spray it on the headlights. Also for the 221, you can see that here on the side, as well as the other headlight. On the 222, one of my favorite S-Classes out there, they removed it, as you can see, because it is not that necessary You have to stop at the gas station to clean it yourself, of course. But they also have heating, so. Then for the wipers we have the Magic View, so it is a little bit thicker, the wiper itself. It will spray within the turning move. So it will not spray it on the window, it will go via the wiper itself. As well as this one with thicker wipers. That's different for the previous ones. For these models, they all start with a 220 with sensors in the window shield, and this is for Distronic Plus cruise control, which is adaptive. A fun fact is that this is actually Arnold Schwarzenegger's S-Class from California. He has a great taste. Back then he had the V12 S600. Amazing again with the V12 emblem on the C-pillar. S600 emblem right here. Here we have all the new generations. There's the beautiful lineup. So I have the key in my hands of this beautiful 450 SEO 6.9. This is the largest engine, the largest, and also a V8 that they put ever in an S-Class. So we have a 6.9 liter. I will just open it and let's take it for a drive. Beautiful Mercedes Star, blue exterior color, but also the inside is gorgeous in blue. This is definitely what I would like to see on the new generations. So let's go inside. Very soft sofa and a beautiful steering wheel with the Mercedes Star in black. I will not adjust the seat, it is pretty forward, I have to say, but let's take it for a drive, guys. This is the car that Formula 1 drivers drove mostly in their private time, in their free time. So well, the first thing I notice is beautiful Mercedes Star. Check it out, guys, it is so shiny. And of course the mileage, it already has 648,000 kilometers, and that is insane if you look at the condition. So let's take it for a drive, guys. It is so fast, guys. Insane. And can you imagine that back in the days this car used to beat the Porsches on the Autobahn. I will take a left turn. Of course indicate we are in a Mercedes-Benz. And I notice it goes up to 5,000 RPM before it hits the red limiter. It's not a limiter, but it's just a danger zone, of course. I will take a left turn and let's accelerate, guys. Insane. So much comfort on the road. Let's activate the wipers. Awesome. Guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.